Welcome to our guide on muscle building and fat loss for beginners. In this video, we'll explore essential tips to help you effectively build muscle and lose fat. Setting realistic goals is crucial for progress tracking and motivation. Balanced nutrition with adequate protein, healthy fats, and appropriate carbohydrates is fundamental. Understanding effective training strategies, including strength training and cardio, alongside proper rest, is vital. Consistency and patience are key in your fitness journey. Finally, monitoring progress, making necessary adjustments, and seeking professional advice are essential for long-term success. Setting realistic and achievable goals is essential for both muscle building and fat loss journeys. By establishing clear objectives, you can effectively track your progress and make necessary adjustments to your training and nutrition plans. Realistic goals also contribute to staying motivated and driven throughout the process, preventing frustration and disappointment. It's important to break down long-term goals into smaller, attainable targets, allowing for a sense of accomplishment along the way. Celebrating these milestones provides positive reinforcement and encourages continued dedication to your fitness goals. A balanced diet is crucial for supporting both muscle growth and fat loss. Adequate protein intake is necessary for muscle repair and growth, while essential fats play a role in hormone production and overall health. The right carbohydrates provide energy for workouts and aid in the recovery process. It's important to prioritize nutrient-dense foods to meet your body's needs and support your fitness goals. Understanding portion control and meal timing can also impact your body's composition and performance. By focusing on balanced nutrition, you can optimize your body's ability to build muscle and effectively lose fat. Incorporating a combination of strength training and cardio exercises is essential for maximizing muscle building and fat loss. Strength training helps increase muscle mass, which can boost metabolism and aid in fat loss. Additionally, cardio exercises contribute to calorie burn and improved cardiovascular health. Proper rest and recovery are equally important, as muscles need time to repair and grow after workouts. Understanding the balance between training intensity and rest is crucial for avoiding burnout and injury. By implementing these effective training strategies, you can optimize your body's ability to achieve your muscle building and fat loss goals. Consistency and patience are essential components of any successful fitness journey. By staying consistent with your workout routines and nutrition plans, you can ensure steady progress and results over time. It's important to understand that achieving significant muscle building and fat loss goals takes time and dedication. Being patient with the process allows for sustainable changes to occur in your body. Embracing consistency and patience fosters a healthy mindset towards fitness, preventing discouragement and promoting long-term success. Monitoring your progress is crucial for effectively achieving your muscle building and fat loss goals. By tracking your results, you can identify areas of improvement and make necessary adjustments to your fitness and nutrition plans. This allows for continued momentum and prevents plateauing. Seeking professional guidance, such as a personal trainer or nutritionist, can provide valuable insights and support in optimizing your journey. Embracing a proactive approach toward monitoring progress and making adjustments fosters adaptability and increases the likelihood of achieving long-term success.